Uranus has always been a cosmic curiosity, glowing faintly as an icy giant in the outer solar system. This tilted turquoise world is unlike any other. But how much do we really know about this distant planet? Let's dive into 10 amazing facts that might just change the way you see Uranus. Uranus is tilted at 98 degrees, nearly spinning on its side. This extreme tilt makes its seasons bizarre, with each pole facing the sun for 42 years. It's an ice giant, not a gas giant like Jupiter. Its core of water, ammonia, and methane ices gives it a chilly, unique makeup. Uranus has a pale turquoise hue thanks to methane gas in its atmosphere. This gas absorbs red light, leaving a cool blue-green glow. Its day lasts just 17 hours and 14 minutes, spinning faster than Earth. This quick rotation stirs its icy clouds into faint bands. Uranus has 13 faint rings, far less flashy than Saturn's. Made of dark dust and ice, they're nearly invisible without powerful telescopes. The planet has 27 known moons, named after Shakespearean characters. Titania, the largest, is half the size of Earth's moon. Uranus's magnetic field is wildly off-center, tilted 60 degrees from its axis. This creates chaotic auroras that dance across its poles. Temperatures plunge to minus 224 degrees Celsius, making Uranus the coldest planet in our solar system. Voyager 2 in 1986 is the only spacecraft to visit Uranus. Its flyby revealed a bland surface hiding a dynamic interior. Finally, Uranus is massive, with a diameter of 51,118 kilometers. It could fit 63 Earths inside its icy bulk. So there you have it. Uranus isn't just a faint speck in the sky. It's a world of tilted spins, icy depths, and cosmic oddities. What mysteries will we uncover next? Which of these Uranus facts amazed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more space discoveries. See you in the next one.